Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video we will be installing and configuring Laravel and its dependencies to broadcast an event. I have bifurcated this process in 6 simple steps. First, let's download Laravel framework using Composer. That will take a while and it will download a Laravel framework for us. Okay. In second step, we will be installing other dependencies for event broadcasting. So let me first go to folder backend and install predis. And lastly, we need to install JWT-auth. JWT-auth is used for user authentication for private channels. So let's install JWT-auth too. Okay, so in third step we will be configuring a virtual host. Well, it is not mandatory, but I personally like to run a project on pretty URL. So this is how my virtual host looks like, and I will be running my backend or Laravel instance on api.broadcast.loc. Step number 4. Let's first generate a key, php artisan key generate, and configure the env file. Let's change the URL. If you are running on localhost, keep it as it is. If not, then change the URL. Okay. Database, I will be configuring my Laravel instance on broadcast database. Driver, we will be using a Redis. Queue connection, we will be using a Redis again. There is one more key that we need to add in env file. So let's go to config database, Redis and prefix. To make it simple, I will not be adding any prefix in my Redis channel. Okay, let's see what else is missing in env. I think it is it, but then there is one last thing that we need to do is go to app config app.php and uncomment this line. This will allow a Laravel to enable a broadcast service provider for this application.